Rotary's LT35A lift table is engineered specifically to handle EV batteries and other vehicle components, increasing versatility and productivity. The LT35A has a 3,500-pound lifting capacity, exceeding the weight of EV batteries and other heavy components like engines and powertrains. Its air-powered hydraulic lift design gives technicians the ability to operate the table without having to unplug any electric-powered tools from inside the bay. The LT35A's low-friction 8-inch casters can swivel a full 360 degrees or be locked for easy maneuverability under heavy load. Its tabletop features threaded holes for fixtures, while its side-to-side tilt and fore and aft adjustment compensates for uneven floors, providing perfect positioning. The handheld pennant control allows for easy and comfortable operation to give technicians the ability to move around the bay for a clear view of the entire workspace. Plus, unlock additional productivity and profits with Rotary's RT30 repair table. These 3,000-pound capacity repair tables easily integrate with the LT35A to create multiple workstations, freeing up your lift table for other important jobs, increasing efficiency while eliminating the need for multiple lift tables.
The flexibility to be able to buy one scissor lift table and 5 work tables further enhances productivity and efficiency so that we don't slow down.
Give your technicians the tools they need to get the job done right while future-proofing your business with Rotary's LT35A lift table.